do I have a special for you. I have this Hot Wheels 2021 Monster Truck Diecast I'm gonna unbox, and there are some really unique castings in this group. As you can see by some of the pictures up in the corner, there's a lot of unique trucks to this case. I did recently do a 2020 Hot Wheels Monster Truck C case unboxing, which I'll put the link above. And if you like monster truck unboxing and racing, consider hitting your subscribe button. All right, well, let's get this open. All right, I am excited about this case. All right, well, let's get this started. Here we go with the first truck, and it's the new Mega Wrex. Now, I've been really looking forward to this because, as you guys may know, the current king of the hill is the Mega Wrex, also known as the T-Rex by my little buddy. But look at that. Look at the new color combination. Look at the scales, the green, blue, aqua, whatever you want to call it, scales and color. It's got all those teeth on the front, of course. Beautiful wheels. New for 2021, yellow crushable car. And here's all the trucks in the case. Look at that, some crazy truck. The crash attack is Dino Bite. Hopefully, he is a contender just like his buddy. Next up, we have the DragBus. Now that is awesome. It's part of the Paint Crush series. So look at that. I mean, I just love the colors on it. The chrome wheels. Look at the colors on this thing. I mean, this is the first DragBus I've had. This is one I've been really hunting after, which I've never been successful with, but just a gorgeous, gorgeous DragBus. I mean, and he's so heavy, but I'm a little afraid he may be a little wiggly. So we'll see. Looks like his crash attack is dragged down. So I hope he lives up to that, but look at that. That is just a beautiful, beautiful casting. I am so excited to have one and to race it. Next up, we have a twin mill with the slicks on it. I have one of these castings. It was in the last King of the Hill. It didn't do that well, but still a really cool casting. Always looking forward to having another one. So as an orange crushable car, I love the 5-spoke chrome wheels. And of course on the back, its crash attack is the double down stomp. So that's pretty cool too. All right, next truck. Oh, there he is. This is another one I've really been wanting. The Super Mario Bowser. I mean, who doesn't remember old Bowser? He's got the spikes on the top, orange, green paint, yellow wheels, blue crushable car. I just love his overall appearance. Just a really cool red spikes, white spikes, spikes in the back. Just a really cool cast. It looks like his crash attack is fire breath. That makes sense if you remember that game. Really a cool truck. All right, let's see what's up next. Now this, I'm glad to have it in my hands. It's called the Invader, and I didn't know if these tracks, they moved or what, but it looks like they have those wheels underneath there. You see those little bitty wheels? So I don't know how fast he's gonna be on the track, but we'll give it a whirl. Just an incredibly unique looking casting. I like the colors. Of course, it's a tank. It's got those tracks on it, little bitty wheels, a red crushable car, and of course, its crash attack is the big kaboom. So really a unique monster truck. I mean, I love it. I'm really glad to have it in the collection. Yeah, sweet. Put it over here. And the next up, we have a Monosaurus, which you could see. I'll show you the link above. I had this in my last 5-pack race. Of course, this is a recolor on it, so really cool. I mean, I love the paint colors. It's kind of hard to pick up with all this light in the basement here, but I really love the reflection and the paint job of the scaled side panel. Really just spectacular stuff. I like these bigger cards here too. And his crash attack is the Stegosaurus Spike. So yeah, makes sense. That is beautiful, beautiful truck. All right. Let's see who's next. Oh, now that's just spectacular. Look at this. So here's the new recolor on the BigFoot. Got that chrome engine sticking out the back. Decos on top and stickers. Just a gorgeous truck. I mean, you can't go wrong with BigFoot, first of all. New for 2021. And let's look on the back. His crash attack is the original stomp. And that kind of makes sense with him being the original monster truck in my book. So you can just sit there and admire it. Just beautiful. Can't wait to see that in the stores. And finally, we have another new one. It's called the Burger Delivery Monster Truck. And that's kind of cool casting too. You can see the decos on the side there. Got some Hot Wheels insignias. Oh, there's a hamburger deck. Got some orange wheels, blue crushable car, green undertones, and his crash attack is a double stack attack. So that is some awesome stuff. I think the one truck I was really looking forward to the most is this DragBus. I mean, it's awesome. It's heavy. So you know it's going to be fast. And I also think one of the other trucks that I'm really excited to have is the Bowser. I mean, look at the spikes on it. I mean, who doesn't want that in a monster truck? Really glad to have this in the case. And who doesn't want the Invader? I mean, it's just a really unique monster truck. So I'm really glad to have it in the collection. We'll give it a try and see if it has any speed to go down the track, make a run for the King of the Hill. I doubt it. We'll give it a whirl. I just wanted to show you guys this. A really quick video. The case was really exciting. Well, there you have it. There's the 2021 Hot Wheels Monster Truck D-Case. 8 really cool monster trucks with some really awesome new castings. I am super excited about and have in my collection. If you guys like monster truck unboxings, give this video a thumbs up and consider hitting your subscribe button. I'll post my Hot Wheels King of the Hill race in approximately a week. We'll see you real soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Stay warm. Bye-bye.